Hey everyone, just Gallegos here, Great for Green. So this is our newest product that we're starting to present out to the marketplace. It's what we call a tree well. And it's for our Greywater system. It sits 4 feet underneath the ground near a tree, approximately 5 feet from the trunk. And it's to push the Greywater into this hollow cavity. And the bottom actually is plastic with a side channel, so that way the water will come into the area, will hold it, but then it'll wick up into the general area of the tree. The whole idea is to get as much gray water into the soil structure, to creating a water banking for the trees to pull the water from. And it's far enough underneath the ground that we're pushing the roots down deep into the ground, and it's mainly for urban areas. So look at it, look at our website, and check out pricing.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.